What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm here at Highway 167 access Saline River. Nice little spot. I wish people would clean up after themselves, but aside from that, it's a nice little spot, and I thought I'd hammer out a couple videos for the channel. I want to talk to y'all today about your kit. And what do I mean by that? You'll hear me, and this is going to be a video series that I'm going to do, talking about your kit. Your kit. This is a good piece of kit. That's a good piece of kit. What kind of kit? This is you know, basic preparedness, basic survival stuff. I call it a kit. Some people call it bug out bags. Some people call it inch packs. Some people call it rucksacks. Personally, I call it a kit. I have a car kit that's actually in this car that I'm in right now. I have a camp kit, which is also in this car that I'm in right now. I just got some stuff to make another car kit. I'm going to walk through it with you and explain things you should consider and things that are kind of and I'm going to specify what it's going to be for at the beginning. So, and this is all fairly inexpensive stuff, but for future references, if you hear me say kit, I'm being general. I'm just generalizing it because I might be talking about a bug out bag. I might be talking about an assault pack. I might be talking about a camp kit. I might be talking about a overnight kit, an inch pack, you know, whatever you want to call it. If it matters, I will try to specify. If it doesn't, it's one of those things. I'm just kind of making this video as a way of introducing it so that it hopefully will keep the arguments down. And this is still a small channel, but this is one of those subjects and areas that people are taking a lot of interest in. And I apologize for the cars going over the top. They're probably drowning out my voice a little bit, but it is what it is. This is just where I am today, so where I stopped. But if you like this kind of content and you like somebody talking you through this stuff logically and putting a lot of thought into it, like and subscribe. We've got a Patreon set up. It's not finished yet, but when it is, there'll be links in the videos below the YouTube channel for each Patreon. I've got several channels, and like I said in the last video, I've got a lot of work to do in my description boxes. It's just a fact of life. I'm working off of a cell phone and the apps, so we'll get it together. Hopefully we can keep polishing it, and it won't be looking like something came out of somebody's backside, but I hope you get that. Anyways, y'all stay safe, and we'll see y'all in the next one.